Hey guys, scifiwb here with an unboxing video. I've tried this before and things have happened, but we're going to try it again. So I've already cut it open. Now to let you know what this is, I got a online bleh, a $25 Gamestop gift card, which I used, of course. And this is just part of it, apparently. I won't bore you with the details on how I got the gift card. Let's just say I got it and I used it. So yeah, I went online and here's just part of it. Like I said, I've already opened it, and so I know what it's in here, but I do want to share it with you guys. So yeah, let's open it up and show you. So here you go. Alright, here comes the shipping bag. I did buy, let's see, one retro game. And other like DS and Wii games which hadn't shown up. This is just the retro game, which is I bought a Genesis game, and I bought Pac-Man 2, The New Adventures. I'm really sad that it didn't come in the case or anything, and you know, so expect a part 2. Sorry. Anytime. Yeah. But I still need this. And yeah, expect a part 2 for the rest of the GameStop unboxing, and I'm not sure when that'll happen. But like I said, I wanted to share this with you. This was like $4.99, and yeah, not bad. So this is scifiwb saying take care and play on.